It was at this moment that he knew he f***ed up.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Rodney from C.A.R.S. And from that dramatization earlier, that was a real thing that happened to me earlier. A very common issue that happens on the 2015 and up Dodge Chargers and Challengers is that the outside door handles break. It's a common thing. Hopefully you haven't experienced it, but if you have, it's a quick fix. It takes literally 5 minutes to fix this. So all you need is a T15 Torx bit, 1/4 inch drive with an extension, and of course a new handle, and you'll be able to fix this in no time. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how easy it is to repair this so you don't get caught in the rain like I just did. All right, so pretty simple. There's gonna be a grommet right here on the Chargers. On the Challengers, it's gonna be a little bit behind the weather stripping, but nonetheless, it's just as simple. All right, you're gonna pop that grommet off. You can use the screwdriver. If you do, it's you don't want to scratch the paint, so be mindful of that. But I was able to just pop it off with my fingernail, and you're gonna have a little screw in here, and you just put this T15 on there. And we're gonna loosen it. And you're gonna start to see this handle start to kind of pop out there. All right. Almost there. All right, so you're gonna hear it kind of click a little bit. And so you're just gonna pull out. There's gonna be one connector here. We're gonna pop that connector off. Or we're just gonna struggle a little bit, you know, whichever one. There we go. And yeah, that's off. So we'll go ahead and throw the new one on, and then show you a fixed product. All right guys, so we got it all put together. Just remember, all you need is that T15 Torx bit. Pull that grommet off. You can use a screwdriver or just use your hands to pop that thing off. And 5 minutes max, 5 minutes max. So, you know, now we got a finished product. So now you can actually get into your car. So, you know, thank you guys for watching another episode, and we'll have more tips and tricks and little quick things to show you on these cars.